Hello, my name is Lisaura Higuera Tristancho. Today I will tell you about my last holidays. Last June I was on vacation with my husband and children in Barranquilla. It is a very beautiful city and the trip is not expensive. I was there a week. Visit many interesting places like the museum and the zoo is the great tourist destination. The weather in Barranquilla. This city is very wonderful and your weather is very sunny and never is cloudy. Recommendation. It's recommended that you use sunscreen. It is recommended to drink a lot of liquid. You must wear fresh clothes. Expenses. We were there for a week and the trip cost us around of 2 million. Tourist seats. This city has several tourist sites as the Zoo of Barranquilla, the Metropolitan Cathedral, and the Museum of Caribbean. Requirements. You do not a passport, but if you have the necessary vaccines. What you should do? You must take enough money to visit the important sites of the city and leave very early to avoid the strong sun. What you should do? You should not walk unprepared and with valuables in sight. You should not go out without sunscreen or liquid. Thank you.